Hey guys, I know in the previous section we went through my auto webinar sales funnel in detail so that we could dissect it and so that you can copy it. In this section I want to talk about traffic, and traffic is just as important as your sales funnel because without traffic your sales funnel cannot bring you any value, right? So as I mentioned, I have to keep this Udemy course under 2 hours so that I can bring you this course for free. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a couple links to external traffic resources. And the first one I want to share with you is a book that Russell Brunson wrote. Russell's actually a good friend of mine. I met him a couple years ago, and he's obviously the founder of ClickFunnels as well. He has 3 books, and they're all really, really excellent. If you haven't looked at some of the other books yet, I would recommend them. I have all 3 myself. And his newest book is called Traffic Secrets, and it purely focuses on traffic, which is really, really important. And normally, if you weren't watching this video, you could just go to Amazon or Kindle or wherever, and you could buy this book for $21.95. And if you're getting the hard copy, you would have to pay like an additional like $8. But I have worked with Russell, and he's given me a link to it. And the link is to get the book completely free. All you have to pay is shipping. And I think the shipping is like $9 or $9.95 or something like that. And I mean, honestly, I would imagine ClickFunnels gets like $1 or $2 from that shipping in profit, but they really do have to ship you the book. And generally book shipping is probably around $6 or $7. So they make probably a profit of $3. But either way, the book itself, I think is worth like $100. It's a really, really great book. I've read it from the front to back at least a handful of times. I've marked it up. I've written all over the book. I've done that for all the books. And if you're kind of like hesitant to get this, book essentially for free and just pay the shipping, you also get a lot of bonuses with the book. And these are really great bonuses. I've watched, I think, all of them except the very last one. So each one of these bonuses are actually training videos. And these training videos are given to you for free once you get the free book as well. And each one is like a lot, they're like 4 or 5 hours of training videos. And they're basically interviews that Russell did with different type of entrepreneurs that specialize in something. So the first one is Traffic Secrets Foundation, 60-minute training video, and it's a $97 value. To my understanding, according to the website, each one of these bonuses are worth like $97. There's another bonus, number 2, How to Scale Your Traffic with Simple Videos by Dean Graziosi. I would imagine most of you guys are familiar with him. He had this really, really famous book that he was selling, and he had like all this traffic, like 4 times the traffic that Russell had for his book. So Russell approached Dean and interviewed him, said, how do you do it? And Dean kind of revealed some of those secrets in this training video. Yeah, bonus number 3 with Prince Ia, How to Make a Video Go Viral. Prince Ia is that one guy that's been doing all those like inspirational and motivational videos on YouTube. He's getting like millions and millions of views. Russell, again, was very interested in knowing how he did that, so he interviewed Prince Ia and put it into a training video. And then you get bonus number 4, How to Publish on Every Platform Without Consuming Your Time by Peng Joon. I'm a huge fan of Peng Joon. This training video kind of reveals how he does it. He's an industry leader in marketing, essentially, in ClickFunnels. And then bonus 5, 30-day step-by-step traffic training with ClickFunnels. So you pretty much get everything in this picture. And you can get this again by clicking the link in the attached resources. So if you're looking from your desktop, go to the right side where this lecture is listed, and you should see a box that says resources. Click that and it'll bring you a link. When you click that link, it'll bring you back to the ClickFunnels page that looks something like this. The reason I have to put the link in this video is because you can't get to this page from the ClickFunnels website. So I got this link from Russell himself. The first thing I would recommend is just to watch this video. This video kind of explains what's in the book in a little bit more detail, but essentially the book has 20 secrets on traffic. And if you scroll down to about the middle of this page, you could see them here, 20 secrets. And let me read off a couple to you. Identifying exactly how your dream customer is and enter into a conversation that's already taking place in their mind so you know exactly how to save them. The 2 ways you can get your message in front of your dream customers so that you can turn them into your own traffic that you can message over and over again for free. The invisible second funnel that almost no one knows about. Only 19% of potential sales will happen the first time your customer goes through your funnel. The other 81% of your potential sales is determined by this. This quick 3 to 5 minute daily strategy helps you tap into large pockets of your dream customers on social media that aren't following you just yet and discover the patterns that make them follow and engage with you. how to leverage Google to get your customers to find you instead of you chasing them, even if they don't know who you are and aren't actually searching for you yet. So as you can see, there's just like a lot of really cool secrets. I know it sounds a little bit trivial, but they go into a lot more detail in the book. And yeah, some of them are more conceptual than literal, but you have to understand the concepts before you could start running Facebook ads or doing your social media marketing or doing your search engine optimization. So this is a really, really great place to start to get that foundation with traffic. You get basically everything in this picture. You get these diagrams as well. And here are the bonuses that I mentioned. The training video, $97 value for each one. That's like over a couple $100s, and you get it all for free if you just get the book. And the book itself is also for free. The shipping is a little bit expensive, but for the most part, it's still really, really great. So I don't know exactly how long this book will remain free on this particular link, but hopefully by the time you guys check it, you'll still get the book for free. I would try to get it as soon as possible. And also, you know, if you guys didn't know, Russell has a handful of sales funnels himself for the website, and one of his sales funnel gets 96,000 visitors per month. The other one gets 1.8 million visitors per month, which is their main funnel. And all the funnel traffic secrets they use for these funnels are in the book, which is really great, and they kind of reference some of their funnels in the book. So it's a really great book. Check it out. You know, try to get it sooner than later if you do plan to get it, and then also read through it before you get a membership for Clickfunnels, because again, don't get the Clickfunnels membership until you've done all the training, because I don't want you to sign up, pay every month while you're still learning how to use Clickfunnels is the point I'm making. So hopefully you guys get some value out of the book like I did, and I'll see you guys on the next video. If I come across other traffic training video content on YouTube or whatever, I'll make sure to post that in the Facebook group for you guys. All right, see you on the next video.